Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today we are going to be changing out the injector seals on the 22RE. To get down to your injectors, we're taking as minimal off as possible. Start off with taking your cold air intake out. Undo these hoses, your throttle cable. We might leave those on, just flip it up, we will see. You got to undo this breather, undo your intake manifold brace, and undo the ground. Undo these 6 bolts. Undo this EGR one as well. So we're gonna do this one and that one. Undo those 2 to pull the fuel rail off. So here's the injector after pulling it out. Okay, now that I got the new gaskets on the injector, and I got the injectors and fuel rail back put on into place, make sure you clean your intake manifold where it connects to that part of it, the lower intake manifold. And when you put the paper gasket in, make sure you don't use RTV or anything in between those. They don't need it. Clean up the EGR. Now that you got the intake all mounted back on, go ahead and throw that air box on. Once you got that all put back together, make sure you top off your coolant. Go ahead and start it up. That's how you change out the injector seals on the 22RE. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next videos.